David.
Si MJ. Hi, Gerald.
Hello, David.
My first question, meron akong mga songs na ibibigay sa'yo. Tell me kung possible or no na kakantahin mo. Pwede ba? Okay lang.
Okay lang. Hindi ko pa rin nire-review.
So first,
No bluff.
nag-request si Jessel, yung isang admin mo, na kantahin mo daw yung golden na male version.
Maybe.
Oh, possible, okay. Number two, ako, seeing you perform, did you ever sing or will you consider to sing a song like Nessun Dorma?
Why not? Maybe.
Pero did it cross your mind for recently or not yet?
Not yet, I would say. May darating din yan. Darating din tayo dyan.
Pero yung The Prayer, you sang that na before for sure. Okay. Talking about naman mental health and your courage movement, with the story of Eman Atienza. So familiar ka naman na meron din nangyari sa kanyang abuse before and meron siyang nangyaring suicide or possible homicide, kung ano man yung real story. So anong masasabi mo, like advice as a counselor, kasi you're like a counselor now for the youth, no? Para iwasan or to help those people na may dinadaan ng katulad niya.
Ayun, ngayon nakikita natin, di ba, slowly yung effect nung yung abuse na nangyari nung kabataan, and lahat isa yung pattern na ang tagal nila bago nakapagsalita kasi hindi talaga madali na magsalita about it. Talagang as much as you can, parang gusto mo i-ignore na nangyari yun. You're in denial na nangyari yun. Ayaw mong i-recognize na nangyari yun sa'yo. Kaya ang nangyayari, nagmamanifest yun habang nagtatagal. Nagmamanifest yun doon sa tao. Yung trauma lumalabas. And ayun nga, unfortunately, nangyari kay Eman, nakakalungkot. My condolences to the whole family of Kuya Kim Atienza. At ang maya advice ko lang kapag ka may pinagdadaanan, mga kabataan especially, I hope meron silang someone na yung mapagsasabihan talaga nila na komportable sila. Kasi minsan, yung parents ng bata, mas nahihiya pa silang magsabi dun eh. Weird, di ba, sometimes. But, kung wala man sila, kung di man sila ganun ka-open sa parents nila, sana meron silang friend na mapagsasabihan nila at na magsasabi sa parents nila. And yung parents nila ang gagawa ng action for them. Kasi talagang as a kid, me, before, as a teenager, parang ano magagawa mo? Ano bang alam mo sa mga legalities at that time, di ba? Wala ka naman alam eh. So, dapat malaman niya ng mga nakakatanda sa'yo. Kaya, yun, as much as possible, sana yung mga kabataan natin, may support group talaga sila na mga true friends na pagkasabihan nila. I've heard so many stories about this. Meron na naman ako just recently na kakilala na ganyan-ganyan din. Like kay Eman and kay Jonah na abused pala ng father niya din. Grabe, nakakilabot yung mga and it took her a long time and she took her own life as well. Grabe. So, ang dami pong stories sa akin kasi nga because of the community, because of ang bigat po talaga. So, kailangan nating suportahan yung mga kabataan, especially now kasi mas vulnerable sila ngayon, masasabi ko. Kaya mas kailangan nila yung counseling, mas kailangan nila may outlet sila. Kasi ngayon, kapag na-isolate yung mga kabataan, they will just like wanna give up. Ano na lang ako, tapusin ko na lang yung buhay ko, ganun. Kaya yun.
Yeah. On a lighter note naman, congrats sa FAMAS Award for Hamon.
Oh, thank you.
And of course, malapit ka na mag-Hall of Famer for Aliw, sana this year. Entertainer of the Year. And then, another thing is, kamusta yung Papua New Guinea mo with si Geneva? How was it working with Geneva?
Oh yeah, it was wonderful. It was a wonderful experience sa Papua New Guinea. Nakakapanibago kasi, medyo doon ay inaalala talaga nila muna yung safety mo doon sa Papua New Guinea. But not necessarily naman na super dangerous doon, but you know, ano naman, okay naman yung community. Pero nagstay lang kami sa hotel, nag-mall lang kami, namasyal lang kami ng kaunti.
Anong
And then
nagduet pa kayo?
We did the show. Yeah. we
Anong
had a
kinanta
duet.
ninyo?
APT. Nag-party-party kami with the Filipino community. And may mga Papua New Guineans din doon na nanood.
Last, ano pang next projects mo after this?
After this, I think may nilulutong movie. May nilulutong movie.
Okay. Sige. Congrats.
Ikaw na.